Engaging with the public is an important part of DEC's work in communities across New York State. While our website and online tools like DEC Info Locator have information about how to contact DEC staff, we also hold public meetings and community availability sessions. Community availability sessions provide an opportunity for DEC experts to meet with members of the public to discuss questions related to a project or multiple projects or proposals at one time. These sessions can be held in partnership with other state agencies or local governments. Community availability sessions are not your typical public meeting. Rather than a single presenter at a podium or a microphone set up to record public testimony, these sessions make DEC and other staffers available for your questions. This open house format allows community members like you to come to the session at your convenience over several hours. At these sessions, information stations are set up in an auditorium or one large room with experts available at each station. You may meet staff from DEC, other state agencies, or your local officials who can explain their part of the project and answer your questions. This allows for direct one-on-one interaction between DEC staff and community members. Community availability sessions are particularly valuable if you haven't had the time to contact DEC and have a question about a sensitive topic, such as individual water well test results you recently received, or how a proposal could impact your property. It also allows you the opportunity to ask a question that you may not be comfortable asking in a large group setting. Staff are available to listen and provide helpful guidance and can follow up after the session as needed. DEC hopes you find our community availability sessions valuable in addressing your questions and concerns, and we look forward to connecting and working with you.